The information is right at our fingertips. Speaking of fingertips, now we live in a left-handed universe, okay, and that's what this is. And these four right here, this is your cold, like the Bose-Einstein. That's the nuclear winter. That's the winter. And the warm ascension is the spring, ring finger. And a Bose-Einstein condensate is typically pink, the pinky. And then the middle finger, hot. Oh yeah, it's hot, boy, I'm flaming. That one right there is the singularity. And then when you're pointing, hey look, it's the universe, the observer. That's the pointer finger. And then to swell, gravitational and quantum mechanical waves will swell literally. And that is when the recondenses or the ashes fall and legends rise. You know what I'm saying? The nuclear winter. Because this is a Bose-Einstein liquid. It begins to get cold as the universe dies and gets cold and spreads out. It reinverts and condenses just like the water effect. C2, you know, you get the mass times C2 equals the Big Bang. That's the E, vaporization, the cooling, fallout, ashes, solid matter forms similar to hail fall. And rain of fire, because it starts, it's a rain of fire. Hail to the kingdom of heaven. You know, hail and hail, hot hell. It's heavel or upheaval. It's actually recombination. Heave or heavel. Heaving to usher in, hew in. So the pointer is the time and matter. That's number 4. And 5 would be basically this. It's a circle. See, Bose-Einstein's condensate is basically a holy superatom. He4, he, helium, the father, he, male. You gotta be a holy diver to understand this stuff. So once the universe is born, it's a breath of fire or a rain of fire. You know, to breathe, to breath, you have no thermi if there's no cold area around what's burning. If the area around what's burning is the same temperature, there's no potential difference. Therefore, no burning can happen. And space is cold, stars are hot. It's just like a fire. If the area around me was 400 or 500 degrees, if basically the temperature around me and a fire were the same, the fire wouldn't even burn. And when it comes to spring and fall, see, I call this a nexus point, okay? The fall and the spring, they share the same temperature ranges. And that's basically, in this aspect, a nexus point. And it correlates to quantum mechanics too, or quantum physics, quantum science, thermodynamics, whatever you want to call it. It's all the same stuff. We've diverged it into many fields of science. And if we merge them, we have unified field theory. You merge all the sciences together that we've dissected. See, the whole picture, we've got all these puzzle pieces. We need to take all those puzzle pieces, put them back together, then we'll unify all of our fields of science, unified field theory. See what I mean? Now, I understand people say, oh, wait, unified field theory, that's not what it means. It's a field in the space that everything happens, a scalar field. Yeah, I understand that. Basically, I'm just saying, since this is the light spectra here, in this void dark space, it's basically the rainbow in the dark. See, you're just a picture. We're an image caught in time. We're a lie. You and I, we're words without a rhyme.